Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, June 10th. Well, we had some weaker than expected employment numbers. The expectation of the market right now reflected in what you're seeing here is a couple things. One, that the Fed may now lower the discount rate in the Fed funds rate. So they may lower interest rates. Also, there's a possibility that there could be a deal with Mexico so those tariffs don't kick in. If they do, then really expect some volatility in these indices. I'd look for downward movement. Right now, I do look for unchanged to higher in the stock market. In the currencies, let's take a look at what's happening with the Canadian dollar. It was a screamer today. Nice clean movement. I look for unchanged to slightly higher in that move. I don't look for another dramatic move to the upside. In the interest rates, the bonds kind of held their own. The rest of the curve is a bit weaker than what we're seeing for the bonds. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. And let's take a look at gold. Gold's also holding its own, but look for an inside day. It's really waiting for an excuse. Monday may give it that excuse to go up or down. Actually, it's very neutral. But the bias is still for a move to the upside. Let's move on over to crude oil. And there it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market, just to give you a feel for that, is $2,300 a contract. And what we're looking for in that market is unchanged to only slightly higher. I'm still very skeptical of this market. It's there because of geopolitical factors. I also realize I didn't tell you, let's put this back. I didn't tell you about Bitcoin. Bitcoin also traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here in that market is $1,000 a contract. I'm not looking for a strong follow through, but rather a sideways move in that market. Now, in the grain, soybeans backing off, we got to be cautious here because they are approaching levels that buyers could come back in. But right now we're looking for unchanged to lower on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.